how to turn off or on smart reorder devices permission on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping, and now you will find this page here. Then click these three lines and then click permissions, and here we'll find Bluetooth. Now just click just scroll down and you will find smart reorder devices, and that's it. You can turn it on or off. If you want to turn it on, just click allow and you can turn it off again. I hope that can help you. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.